Folks, these ladies out here. These ladies out here running wild. I'm not sure what's going on. Hey. Baby, you got a white shirt on. I can see your nipples through there. Hey, Forrest G's over here trying to play, and you ladies are spraying them with the water hose. What's going on here? Baby, listen. If you... Whoa, now watch the camera, baby. Do you have a bra on? Because I think that your shirt would be see-through right now. I saw some nipples a few minutes ago.
White t-shirt challenge.
Okay, I got to put the camera down. I'm going to enjoy this show. Look at this one here. My God. Oh, get her, baby. Get her. Get her, baby. Get her. Oh yeah, get that, baby. Your nipples hanging out on the left side. Oh, she cut the water off. That's against the rules, baby. Honey, just don't point your water towards my camera now. Oh shit! Now she got the Hello Kitty Tabo. Baby, show them the Hello Kitty Tabo. Oh, check this out, folks. That's a Hello Kitty Tabo. These Filipinos going wild over here, folks. The stress I'm under. The stress I'm under trying to keep these ladies from fighting all the time. Honey, you just ran her over to the front of the house. And can I tell you something else? The window's open and I think you just sprayed my big screen TV. My God, the stress I'm under. Get her, baby. Poor old Forrest G is like, what the heck are these ladies doing? Honey, take a break on her. Let her breathe, baby. Fatima, time out.
Look, Forrest G. Look, Forrest G, looking what happened.
Deliciousness back here. Like a two-piece snack. Like a two-piece snack from KFC. My God, this lady is just so beautiful. Fatima, left nipple showing. I don't want to edit this shit. Keep the nipples covered, ladies. Janice, right boobie. Too much nipple. The fucking stress I'm under. Sitting here drinking a Coke and Fireball whiskey. I had no idea that shit was from Canada. That is so delicious. Coke over... Baby, that's Forrest G's swimming pool there.
That's a 3 oil.
Well, honey, make sure you wash her hair. Now, folks, I bought some expensive shampoo for these ladies because they're so important to me. They have L'Oreal shampoo and conditioner, and they are loving it. Ladies, just cover the nipples. I don't have to edit this shit out or blur shit out. You know what happiness is? Is when your wife number one will fit in a damn wash tub. You try to put a big old fucking American land whale in one of those. I don't think one calf would fit in there. My old lady's whole ass will fit in. Oh my goodness, what's going on here? Why do things get so much more interesting when you get a fucking water hose out? I don't know. Oh, look at this. Look at this. This is just beautiful. This is absolute beauty. This water hose today was the best investment I've made in a long time. You know, it really is. Oh, there you go, baby. Put that on the barbed wire. Make a shower out of it. Janice, she hung the thing up over the barbed wire. Now we got mistaken. Ladies, just watch the nipples. Watch the nipples, I said. Watch the nipples. I don't want to have to edit this. Folks, you see the stress I'm under here. I'm under so much stress. I don't even know if I can make it another day. Might need to go get an EKG, check out my heart. She got that L'Oreal. Fatima, left nipple, too much contrast.
The people look at the nipples too.
We're not running a porn channel here, baby. It's a family-friendly show. Look at that L'Oreal, folks. That's expensive stuff right there. But you know what? When you got two ladies, invest in some expensive shampoo. Okay? And conditioner especially. Usually these Filipinas, a lot of them don't even use shampoo. They just use cream soap conditioner. But since I bought the L'Oreal, they're using shampoo and conditioner. Show you, look around our backyard here, folks. This is the guava tree. Now, I'm gonna show you the guavas, and the reason I'm gonna show you the guavas right now. New bamboo furniture from Johnny's. I'm gonna show you these guavas because if I don't show you now, you're not gonna see no guavas because these ladies have been eating the damn guavas off of the tree. Look at her. Those they need a little bit longer, but they've been grabbing the ones these size, and hell, there probably ain't 10 guavas left on this tree because these two ladies over here. But just check out our backyard, folks.